Sheikh Afra Mushtaq welcome you all to the Traffic Awareness Program with the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace be upon you all. To start off this program, I request all of you to first stand up for the official college anthem. Faculty members and my dear beloved students, it gives me immense pleasure to see all of you gathered here on this chilly day, keeping all your comfort at bay and getting together here for a cause. The cause of saving lives of your own as well as the others. The cause of making this part of the world a safer place to be. Today with us we have our guests of honor, Engineer Sheikh Adil, DSP Traffic, Srinagar. A round of applause. I now request Dr. Sajjad Sandeen, the Principal SSM College, to come on the stage for the welcome address. Sir, kindly come on the stage. A round of applause.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Mr. Sheikh Adil, ARTO Baramulla, Dr. Mubashir Jan, Dean Academics, Principal Polytechnic, Director MLC, Chief Administrative Officer, Head of the Departments, Academic Officer, Librarian, Faculty members, Controller Examinations, members of the media cell, scholars and students. Good afternoon to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure in joining with all of you today on this event on social awareness program for curbing traffic hazards. And I welcome you to this event on behalf of the management. The main causes of accidents are human errors. These errors may be due to negligence of both drivers as well as pedestrians. Drivers are involved in overspeeding, rash driving, drunken driving, distraction, violating the traffic rules, red light jumping, avoiding safety gears like seat belts, failure to understand traffic signals and traffic signs, fatigue, non-adherence to the lane driving and overtaking in a wrong manner. Distraction to the drivers are caused due to use of mobile phones, adjusting mirrors while driving, listening to stereo and radio in a vehicle, animals on the roads, banners and billboards. In a similar manner, pedestrians are involved in carelessness, crossing at wrong places, alighting and boarding at wrong places, talking to drivers, traveling on footboards, catching a running bus, etc. And sometimes the accidents are caused due to the failure of brakes, or steering, tire burst, insufficient headlights, overloading and projecting loads. The quality of the roads vary from place to place. and the element of integrity is reflected in the quality of roads, and road safety is attached to it. If the quality of road is good, there will be better road safety. Roads are actually reflective of the quality of governments and administrations of a place. And unfortunately, the biggest money making is done through road construction. So, the engineers have a bigger role.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. Before proceeding further and inviting my guests on the stage, I want you, the students, to know more about our guests. While talking about our first guest, Engineer Sheikh Adil did his BE in Civil Engineering and MTech in Foundation Engineering. With pursuing Diploma in Cyber Crimes, Mr. Adil is a fellow at Kalima Fellowship Program 2020-2021 for Human Trafficking. I now request Mr. Adil to come on the stage and address this audience that is impatiently waiting for you.
The Honorable Principal of the Department, Mubashir Saab, Assistant Regional Transport Officer, Baramulla, other dignitaries seated here, guests, audience, students and the organizers of and off the days. Assalamu alaikum. It's absolutely a wonderful feeling to be among, especially the students of an engineering college. Since I passed out from an engineering college, it has been quite a while now. Being with you makes me relive those days when we used to be in the college. I have done a bachelor's in engineering from University of Pune and then master's in technology and foundational engineering from the same university. Though this college falls outside my official jurisdiction, but I was elated once I was invited for this function. That this being an engineering college, I thought that this is an opportunity this opportunity will in turn afford me another opportunity to relive those college days which I miss like anything. And I'm sure once you pass out from this college, you are also going to miss these college days. This college has an immense reputation of creating some wonderful engineers. We have. When I went for an engineering course outside my erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, that was the time when we did not have enough engineering colleges or options available in the state. That was the time when we had to look for something. I had prepared in AIEEE exam. And that was the mode through which you were selected for engineering colleges after due counseling. Otherwise, I would have considered myself lucky had this college been my alma mater. And I remember when we went to the college and we were young like you, somebody asked me, who's an engineer? I told him that an engineer is someone who likes to solve problems. And he asked me, what if there is none? Then he should know how to create one. So this is how an engineer keeps himself relevant in every field that you go in. The principal has spoken some wonderful words here once he was talking about the road safety. And there are some things that I may not be on the same plane as him. While he was, if we talk of it a little openly, he was talking about the corruption in the public sector. And engineering is the most important and sensitive field when it comes to the corruption in the public sector. Engineering and health services. See, when it comes to the road infrastructure, when he was speaking here, he talked about the road safety measures that we should observe whenever we are on the streets or roads of your town, city, village, wherever you are. There are some things that I would like to quote here. That is regarding the predicaments that we face while regulating, enforcing, and making people aware about the traffic rules and the corollary caller information that comes with it. If you talk about Srinagar, how many of you come from Srinagar? Yeah? Most of them. In Srinagar, if you see, every time the complaint that we receive, or even if you are annoyed with us, that will be because of the condition on the roads. I was speaking to Mohammed Shah just a moment back. He was telling me that we were attending a program together that was organized by the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. Honorable Justice Margaret was presiding over that function. So he was just now discussing it with me. I spoke about it even there also, when there were people from different walks of life, different institutions, representing different institutions, when they were saying that the problem that we have is of the condition on the roads, and the second is the behavior of a policeman. There are two dimensions to it. The one dimension that you need to understand, that pops up in my mind from the talk that was delivered here by your worthy principal, once he talks about the corruption in public life, and especially about the corrupt engineer.
He has 12 years of experience in his field. Sir has 2 international publications on smart city and road rage. A PhD awardee in road safety, Engineer Mubashir has a lifetime membership in SAE and ASME. Apart from these remarkable achievements, he has done 22 courses on road safety, both at national as well as international level, and has also been the visiting guest faculty to IMP and Kashmir University. Sir, I now request you to come on the stage and enlighten us with some wise words.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wal asr innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa amilus salihat wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. Worthy Principal Sir, Professor Saiban, worthy Nagar Sir, जो DC रह चुके हैं, आदिल साहब, DYSP ट्रैफिक, मेरे छोटे भाई, कुछ NGOs जो यहाँ पे मुझे नजर आ रहे हैं, KRSF, Nasir is not here. Zafar is here. Dear students, it gives me immense pleasure to be here. I will tell you, it is because of the engineers that we see the light of the day. It is because of the engineers that there is development in this world. It is because of the engineers that this world is moving ahead. I will give you an example of the automobile field. Carl Benz was an engineer. He was the first man in around 1888 to make a diesel engine. He was a very shy engineer. He made a first vehicle diesel which ran on diesel engine, and then he used to keep that in his barn. Barn हम जर्मनी में कहते हैं, जर्मन लैंग्वेज में गैराज को. वो गैराज में गाड़ी को रखता था, स्टार्ट करता था और वापस आता था. He was a very shy type of a man. His wife saw this thing almost for a couple of days, and she went into that garage and saw a vehicle. She learned how to start this vehicle and took it off and went on the road. So unofficially, you might not be knowing or knowing, unofficially, her name was Bertha. Bertha is the first driver on the roads. अभी देखिए कोई लेडी गाड़ी चलाती है, people start complaining. They don't know अगर उस बर्था ने वो गाड़ी को नहीं निकाला होता बाहर, हम यहाँ पे नहीं बैठे होते यार. So we should be thank Bertha for this. जहाँ तक इस एकेडमी का बात है, अभी मैं सर से भी बात कर रहा था. There is a gap between academia and industry. 2015 में अमेरिका में 100 चीजें, almost 115 inventions and discoveries were there. In 2015 you can Google it, and they all were from the academia, not from the industry. And our academia, I'm sorry to say this, is in deep slumber if we don't wake up. अभी ट्रैफिक की बात हो रही है, ट्रैफिक रूल रेगुलेशन की बात हो रही है. इसमें जब तक रिसर्च एंगल नहीं होगा, जब तक हमारा एकेडमिया जाग नहीं जाएगा, I don't see any hope on the road. For example, अभी हमने बात की कि रोड की कैपेसिटी कम है, गाड़ियां ज्यादा हैं. Sir, as an RTO or madam as an RTO, there are two things. One is motorized transport, जब हम गाड़ियों की बात करें. Another is non-motorized transport. Why don't we think of a pedestrian? Why do we always talk about cars? मैं ऐसे सब आया अभी पटन से आते हुए. There is no footpath up to this place. There should be some sign boards. जो ना छोटी interventions हम कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे SSM में रह के हम छोटे-छोटे चीजें कर सकते हैं. I would like Principal Sir को मैं request करूँगा कि if you can start a dedicated trip like this. Trip is in IIT Delhi, Transportation Research Injury Prevention Program. They work on evidence data. I would voluntarily, I want to be a part of that trip here. If we can start it in SSM. मेरे टीचर भी मोहतरम प्रोफाई साहब यहाँ पे हैं, उनसे मैंने बात की है. यहाँ कुछ इंजीनियर्स भी मुझे मिले जो वॉलंटरली उस ट्रिप का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं. So that we go on the roads and do analysis on the basis of evidence data. अभी देखिए आप रिसर्च पेपर्स पर ये ट्रैफिक के अभी भी ये क्लैरिटी नहीं है रिसर्च वर्ल्ड में हेलमेट्स के बारे में. I'm sorry to say this as ARQ. But as far as my knowledge and observation goes, I believe that these Indian helmets जो अभी हम लगा रहे हैं, it would be a cause of death rather than saving lives. There is a paper from Bangalore University which proves that people die because of helmets, especially these helmets जो हम चालान बचाने के लिए लगा रहे हैं. I did a course this year from Spain, Madrid, Spain. They have now homologations for helmet. ऑटम में कौन सा हेलमेट लगाना है, समर में कौन सा लगाना है, विंटर में. सेम इज द केस विद द टायर्स. अभी जो टायर्स हम गाड़ी में यूज कर रहे हैं, विंटर में कौन से चाहिए, सब हाई लेवल थोड़ा सा है. बट when we are using Android phones and I'll tell you best IT things, why don't we have best technologies in the road? Road engineers, I'm sorry to say this, we do our BTech or diploma, then we sit on the chairs. We are officers for 30 years. I wish we to be updated every year. हर साल एग्जामिनेशन हो, हर साल इसमें. जहाँ तक एक्सीडेंट्स का सवाल है, आदिल ने अभी कहा कि आदिल का गाड़ियाँ बहुत. He is right. Technically he is right B by C. But as an ARTO, I will tell you, we only have 18 lakh cars or vehicles for 1.25 crore population. So it's a virgin place for auto manufacturers to come and sell vehicles. अभी तो गाड़ियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा आएंगी and we don't have any program to stop this. We don't have any program as registered authorities to stop it. So are we prepared for that? Baramulla district में मैं ARTO हूँ. I did 2 surveys there. 1911 the population of Baramulla was around 10,000 and today it is 10 lakhs. The road is same. The road is same going to the Uri. There is a dearth of 3 lakh seats in Baramulla. For ये भी रिसर्च है, for a given population, जितनी आपकी population होगी उसका 30% आपका जो होगा seats available. India lacks 35 lakh buses. अभी हम मेट्रोस की बात कर रहे हैं. सर मेट्रो बनाने के लिए आपको 300 करोड़ रुपया पर किलोमीटर चाहिए. अगर उस 1 किलोमीटर की जगह हम रिसर्च भी स्टार्ट करें, आप देखिए, we want people to walk, we want people to cycle. It is not only transport is not car or vehicle. Transport is when we walk also. So I wish to start an institute here. I wish my dear students, जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं इंजीनियरिंग के, वो 2 वेबसाइट्स खुद देखें. एक तो यूनाइटेड नेशंस डिकेड ऑफ एक्शन देखें, उनको समझ में आएगा कि हम वर्ल्ड कहाँ पे. सस्टेनेबल गोल्स देखिए, यूएन सस्टेनेबल गोल्स. और तीसरी वेबसाइट एक है, we call it WHO का ट्रैफिक एंगल देखिए. We come to know कि इंडिया वर्ल्ड कहाँ पे है, इंडिया कहाँ पे है और कश्मीर कहाँ पे है. We need academic institutions to wake up and start up a research laboratory for traffic. Unless and until we don't do research on these things, sir, the only way forward is research. क्योंकि नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को भी कहा गया था कि आप पढ़िए. और मैंने उस आयत की ट्रांसलेशन ये की है कि आपको ये पढ़ना मर्ज़े तक है. The last day I am on this earth, I have to study. I have requested my department for study leave. Maybe I go again in this field to study because there is a lot of that. People are fed up of licensing system. People are fed up of fitness. We do those traditional things which we used to do 50 years before. People are fed up now. We started a small pilot project in Baramulla where we did licensing in Wagura. I request we do जितने भी यहाँ पे aspirants हैं, लड़के लड़कियाँ, जिनको learning license देनी होगी, I will come here and do it here. Let us start here. I will do testing of driving here. You all are good drivers, I know. We have to just sharpen our skills. मैं भी खुद ड्राइवर बना, 2-3 बारी चोरी ली घर में गाड़ी तो गाड़ी सीखी. We should now have certified driving institutes. उसमें मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स और सिविल इंजीनियर्स को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा. IT जो हमारे IT से रिलेटेड है, the future of transport, the solution of congestion is in IT.
अल्टीमेटली क्या होता है कि अल्टीमेटली मतलब हर स्टूडेंट का अर्ज है कि बीटेक करने के बाद जॉब या फिर तो मैं कहाँ पे अपने रिसर्च को कहाँ पे फॉरवर्ड करूँ? अगर मैं एसएसएम की बात करूँगा, मेरे यहाँ से स्टूडेंट्स निकलते हैं, मैं खुद की बात करूँगा, मेरा खुद का रिसर्च है तो कहाँ पे दूँ? गया मैं डिपार्टमेंट गया, दे टेक इट एंड दे सेड हाँ करेंगे, इसके ऊपर काम करेंगे, कंजेशन के ऊपर काम करेंगे, बट अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आई सी इज कि मुझे उसके ऊपर फिर से काम करना है, और मेरा रिसर्च कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, यही मेरा क्वेश्चन है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, मुझे शायद इसके बाद मेरा यहाँ पे डेस्क पे आना होगा, स्टेज पे आना होगा, तो मैं कोरिलेट करूँगा, थोड़ी बातें बोलूँगा यहाँ पे, और जाहिर सी बात है कि some would be agree with me or some would
That's why we are here.
yes sir ultimate question is this कि रिसर्च करते हैं, हमारे पास बहुत सारे कॉलेज हैं, NIT है, IST है, SSM है, तो ऐसी बात नहीं कि रिसर्च नहीं होता है, रिसर्च होता है और बहुत ही क्वालिटी वाइज रिसर्च होता है, लेकिन कहाँ पे थे और उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे होगा, ये आपका काम है।
आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू नो कि इन्होंने मतलब ऐसा कुछ काम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट किया। When I joined this department, I came to know through conferences, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ इतना पढ़ा नहीं था, through conferences I came to know that there is an impact of road safety on institutes and organizations, and now time has come that we should make the road safety council. दिल्ली में मुझे कहीं पे पता चला। I wrote a simple letter. मैं आपको ये दावे के साथ ये बात बोलता हूँ, जो भी मैंने आज तक डिपार्टमेंट में लिखा वो इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ। It took time. 5 years, 6 years. We have a beautiful road safety council here. JNK Road Safety Council, you can forward that research to JNK Road Safety Council. Within the jurisdiction of district, we have district road safety committee and anybody can be a member. Your institute should be a member. मैं तो किसी को यहाँ से जाके ये बोलूँगा that you make them member. 2 NGOs होने चाहिए और academia अगर बैकअप नहीं करेगा ना इंडस्ट्री को, इंडस्ट्री will not prosper. हमें फिर एक टाइम आता है, there is a life cycle, we stop learning. We are officers on the chair, but we stop learning. My thinking is that we should be students always. मतलब इस बहुत important चीज़ है कि you should learn. वरना मुझे उसी पे लगता है, मुझे तो सारा पता है ट्रैफिक का, मगर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें कोई स्टूडेंट भी सिखाता है या कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन से आप सीखते हो जो शायद बुक्स में नहीं लिखा होता। तो एक तो आप रोड सेफ्टी काउंसिल को फॉरवर्ड करिए, आप सेक्रेटरी ट्रांसपोर्ट को फॉरवर्ड करिए, आपका मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट में एक सेल है, ट्रांसपोर्ट रिसर्च इंजीनियरिंग सेल, यू फॉरवर्ड दैट रिसर्च टू दैट। ट्रांसपोर्ट रिसर्च एक सेल है, इंजीनियरिंग सेल है दिल्ली में, आप वहाँ भी फॉरवर्ड करिए। आप देखिए, फॉर योर आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, I met some people from Pune University in Central Institute of Road Transport. People have done their PhD in bus stop management. Can you believe this? And we don't have bus stops. This is killing. We have I-stop bus stop. क्या हो गया? People have done their PhD in bus stop. अब आप imagine करिए, एक तो क्या ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंजीनियरिंग में PhD करना, फिर इतना minutely जाना, they have started in bus stop. वो कहाँ पे? हम you have to start. You can start. Any more questions?
There's one more thing I would add to what he was saying. आपने जो उसको जवाब दिया, यूनिवर्सिटीज स्पेशली जो हमारे, जब आपने IITs की बात की, we don't have an IIT है, but जो हमारी कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी में जिस कॉलेज को एफिलिएशन है द फैकल्टी ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग स्पेशली. The other day there was a professor from the civil engineering department in that function. I discussed this with him also. Our engineering colleges have a more greater, bigger and important consultative and advisory role when it comes to road engineering. Unfortunately, there's a gap between the agencies who are working in building the road infrastructure network and the institutions and the academic sector. There should be an MOU, which I think if they are not doing it, you should initiate the process from your college. It should be initiated. There should be an MOU between the roads and building department, the transport authority here, and even if you want with the beacon also, because they make the road network in the border areas. And then your research will be of great avail when it comes to the road engineering and the road safety.
Good afternoon, everybody. I, Rubina, extend a warm welcome to everybody assembled here, and it gives me immense pleasure in introducing our guests, Mr. Sheikh Adil, DYSP Traffic Srinagar, and Mr. Mubashir Jan, ARTO Baramulla. A big round of applause. Let me call on stage our student Azan to share a part of his story with us all. Please, a big round of applause for Azan.
Good afternoon and greeting to all of our honored guests, the college faculty, students, organizers, friends and families. I would like to thank you for inviting me to share this day with me. Student from Civil Engineering Department. At the same time, it's a huge responsibility. I hope that I will do justice. So my name is Azan Bhatt, President, Road Safety Club, God's Lab, where hope begins. My experience. मैंने अपने भाई को खो के अपनी माँ की हालत देखी है, अपने वालिद को चोरी चोरी रोते हुए देखा है, खुद को ये रोज समझाते समझाते थक गया हूँ कि मेरा भाई अब वापस नहीं आएगा, मेरे साथ झगड़ा नहीं करेगा। वो जो इंसान जिसकी कभी बातें खत्म नहीं होती थी, आज एक बात सुनने के लिए तरस रहे हैं। 3 साल कबल जब आदि यानी मेरे ब्रदर का एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, तो ठीक 2 दिन पहले हमारा झगड़ा हुआ था। बोल के गया था, जा अब कभी बात नहीं करूंगा। तो मेरी माँ का जब कॉल आता है, जब उसने ये बोला कि बड़ा बोए है गुजरे, I was done with silence because it was beyond of my imagination कि 2 दिन पहले हम साथ में थे कि आज वो अब मेरे साथ नहीं है। Sorry. तब से हर रोज खुद को ये मैं समझाता रहता हूँ कि काश मैंने उसके साथ झगड़ा नहीं किया होता, काश मैंने उसकी बात मान ली होती, काश वो एक बार आए और मुझसे बात करे, लेकिन नहीं आता वो, नहीं सुनता वो, नहीं मनाता वो। माँ जो हर दिन अपने बेटे का इंतजार कर रही होती थी, वो माँ जो हर रोज ठीक 1 बजे अपने बेटे को कॉल करके बोलती थी, वला रजिया मुझे तशीना बात क्यों, आज वही माँ ठीक 1 बजे अपने बेटे को याद करके रोती है, रोकर खुद को ये समझाती रहती है कि अब मेरा बेटा कभी वापस नहीं आएगा। कितना मुश्किल होता होगा उस माँ के लिए इस सच्चाई का सामना करना। वो बाप जो हर रोज डांटता रहता था कि चियर हर गर्शिन से और शिगोतशिना पर, आज वही बाप ये सोचता रहता कि काश मैंने उसे कभी डांटा ही नहीं होता, काश वो आवारा होता लेकिन आज हमारे साथ होता, काश मैंने उसे कभी ये कहा होता कि अच्छे जीवन बाह्य जरूरत, तो शायद ऐसे बिना बताए वो आज नहीं चला गया होता। Sorry, I can't continue. मेरा आपसे बस ये सब शेयर करने का बस एक ही मकसद है कि हम जितनी जाने जाती है रोड एक्सीडेंट में, हम ये जाने बचा सकते हैं। जो मुझे और मेरी फैमिली पे असर हुआ है, जो हम जिस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, अल्लाह ताला ना करे किसी भी फैमिली को, अल्लाह ताला ना करे किसी फैमिली को ना गुजरना पड़े। अगर हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अपनी रोड सेफ्टी, जो भी हम हमारे ट्रैफिक रूल्स है वो अंडरस्टैंड करें, तो हम ये जाने बचा सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Azan, for being courageous enough to share your story with us. It is not an easy job to talk about what you have lost, to talk about it in front of so many people. Now I request Rufai sir to come on the stage for the vote of thanks for our guest. Rufai sir.
Nakash, Chief Administrative Officer SSM, Engineer Yasmin Bilal, Director QAC, esteemed HOD of various departments, Janab Bilal Ahmed, Retired Staff General, Madam Asma Bilal, Academic Officer, respected faculty members, other participants and dear students. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. Again, it is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks at the end of today's event to bring out the safety of our roads. We need to consciously change our attitudes towards providing safe roads, not just for ourselves or for young people, but for everyone. This underlines the urgency for adopting various road safety measures. Tragic death of a shining star of SSM, College of Engineering, Fazl Fayaz, who was a mountaineer, was a mountain biker. Some weeks back, in a traffic accident has made all of us restless and worried about this. Thank Sheikh Afra for nicely acting as the anchor. Mr. Bilal Ahmed, Deputy Registrar General, is also thanked for the facilitation and extending perfect logistics support. Special thanks to Engineer Sayyid Irfan and Professor Shabir Ahmed and other members of SSM Media Cell for professionally covering the event. I would express my deep appreciation and thanks to all senior functionaries, HODs, and other worthy participants, particularly the students, who attentively heard all the speakers. Hope the proceedings of this seminar are uploaded on the institutional website and also on SSM Media channel so that more people can be benefited from proceedings now and in future. Last but not the least, I, from the core of my heart, thank student volunteers.
Thank you, sir.
They are untiringly work for making this event possible. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again in such events being organized in coming days. Thank you.